Good morning, children. In the last class, we have completed about photosynthesis. Already you have learned in the smaller classes about the structure of plant cell. The plant cell has a membrane, plasma membrane. Inner to the plasma membrane, there is a cytoplasmic region. The cytoplasmic region consists of some organelles such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, etc. Today I am going to teach about mitochondria. Mitochondria are filamentous and cytoplasmic organelles in the cell. Mitochondria are the organelles within eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell means cells which have well developed nucleus. Such a group of cells called eukaryotic cells. The mitochondria are organelles within the eukaryotic cells which produce ATP molecules which form the energy currency of the cell. So they are referred to as powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria were discovered by Kolliger in 1857 as granular structure in striated muscles. Striated muscles means straight muscles. Already you have studied in the lower classes types of muscles, non-striated muscles, striated muscles. So striated muscles means straight muscles. Mitochondria vary in sizes from 0.5 mu m to 2 mu m. It consists of 60 to 70% protein, 60 to 70% protein, 25 to 30% lipids and 5 to 7% RNA and some amount of DNA and minerals. Next we can see about structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria possess 4 major parts. They are mitochondrial membrane, cristae, oxysomes and mitochondrial matrix. First we can see about the mitochondrial membrane. Mitochondria consist of 2 membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer membrane and inner membrane, in between there is a space called intermembrane space. The outer membrane consists of enzyme, proteins and lipids. It is a smooth membrane. It has a capacity to pass the molecule in and out of the organelle, so it is permeable membrane. Mitochondria has foreign molecules, that is protein. That proteins make channel to pass the material through this membrane. Inner membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. It also has a capacity to move the molecules into and out of the organelles, and it has a rich amount of enzyme and carrier protein. It consists of 80% of protein and lipids. The inner membrane gives rise to a finger-like projection that is called cristae. These cristae increase the surface area of the inner mitochondrial membrane to hold the variety of enzymes. The inner mitochondrial membrane bears minute tennis racket shaped particles that is called oxysome. They involve in ATP synthesis. Inner to the mitochondrial membrane consists of matrix. The matrix filled with 70S type of ribosomes, RNA and mitochondrial DNA and some enzymes for Krebs cycle. It is a complex mixture of proteins and lipids. Next we can see about the function of mitochondria. The mitochondria are the main organelles of cell respiration. They produce large number of ATP molecules which form the energy currency of the cell, so they are referred to as powerhouse of cell. It regulates the metabolic activity of the cells and also it maintains the calcium ion concentration of the cell. Next we can see about respiration. Respiration involves exchange of gases between an organism and the environment. The plant obtain oxygen from the environment and take in and release carbon dioxide in the environment. The exchange of gases is called the external respiration. It is physical process. Biochemical process occur within the cell where the food is oxidized. Next, types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place with oxygen. Anaerobic respiration takes place without oxygen. Aerobic respiration is the type of cellular respiration in which food is completely oxidized with the help of oxygen. It is occur most of the plant and animals. Glucose. Organic food means glucose. The glucose is oxidized with the help of oxygen to give rise carbon dioxide and water and ATP energy. Next we can see about stages of aerobic respiration. First we can see about glycolysis. Glycolysis means splitting up glucose. It is the breakdown of one molecule of glucose into two molecules of pyruvic acid. The glucose contains 6 carbon atom and the pyruvic acid contains 3 carbon atom. It takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. It is the first step of aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Next, Krebs cycle. It is occur in the mitochondria matrix. At the end of the glycolysis, the pyruvic acid enter into the mitochondria. The pyruvic acid oxidized to form carbon dioxide and water molecules. It is also called tricarboxylic acid cycle because it has 3 carboxyl group. Next we can see about electron transport chain. Electron transport chain located on the inner membrane of the mitochondria. See, the inner membrane has 4 complexes. 1, 2, 3, 4 complexes. The series of complexes that transfer electron from electron donor to electron acceptor through redox reaction, that is oxidation reduction reaction. NADH2 and FADH2 are formed during glycolysis and Krebs cycle are oxidized NAD and FAD to release energy through electrons. When the electrons move, the energy released, which is captured by ADP to synthesis ATP molecule. This process is called oxidative phosphorylation. Next we can see about the respiratory quotient. Respiratory quotient is the ratio of volume of carbon dioxide liberated and volume of oxygen consumed during respiration. Today we have learnt about structure of mitochondria and respiration. Thank you. Have a nice day.